When I say Chelsea are watching this and you watch this World Cup and you witness the greatest TLB, I think at this point I'm just supposed to be saying, as much as the boy is young, I just would need to say one of the greatest defenders in the world. And my team Chelsea, bro, I'm begging you all. I'm always like, when I'm watching the boy every time, I'm always praying for that deal to happen. And when I'm looking at my clubs available with Premier League stuff, or like in Europe available, the club that I think what might suit available, it is Chelsea. And the chances of which ngayenzeka and stuff when it comes to like big teams available in Europe, it is Chelsea, because they believe in young talent, they believe available in investing available in young talent and stuff. And just take the boy has proven himself amongst the best in the world. Each and every game performed, he showed his talent, and why not?